Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how to change your currency in your Binance. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, just simply open your Binance application. And after opening the Binance application, tap to your Binance icon into the top left corner. After tapping in there, you will get to see a bunch of options into here. Now you have to select this setting icon into the top right corner. Tap there, and after tapping into there, you will get to see your currency into the general section. Tap to currency, and then you will get to choose so many options into here. You just simply have to find your desired currency which you would like to choose. Currently I have selected USD, which means US dollar, and now I'll change it into Euro, which is EUR into Binance. In order to change, just simply tap to the currency that you would like to change and it will successfully be changed this easily. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.